Based at the Dargan Centre on the Carlow campus and providing a design-led approach to projects in the areas of design, engineering, ICT and bioscience, Design Plus is one of 16 national technology gateways funded by Enterprise Ireland. Our focus is on delivering expertise, knowledge and technology solutions for Irish industry. We specialise in the areas of design and engineering. Our product design process transforms conceptual designs into successful products with strategic development, technical engineering, robust prototyping development and testing. Our design strategy offering involves working with your business to identify challenges and opportunities through a user-centred approach. During this process, we develop strategies for growth and innovation, resulting in the creation of a strategic roadmap for implementation. Our Engineering Centre provides our Design Plus team with an environment to develop multidisciplinary engineering solutions to industry-relevant problems in multiple sectors, including manufacturing, automation, medtech, aerospace, IoT and more. We support projects from ideation to testing, prototyping to manufacturing, from research to commercialisation. Whether you are a startup, SME or MNC, Design Plus can assist you in accessing the expertise of over 100 researchers and engineers. Companies can also utilise a range of Enterprise Ireland funding and supports which are geared to suit all types and sizes of projects. These supports range from a €5,000 innovation voucher to larger innovation partnership projects up to €250,000. If you would like to discuss how we can help with your current or future project, please get in touch with us for more information.